Now the students, let's study about the multiples of a number. What is meant by multiples? Multiples means the numbers which are the product of any two numbers. Okay, suppose we want the multiples of 3. We want the multiples of 3. Then multiply to 3 with any number and the product that you will get is a multiple of 3. Okay, you can multiply to 3 with any number. And whatever may be the product you will get here, these are the multiples of 3. Suppose 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, 3 4s are 12. These all are nothing but the multiples of 3. So a number has infinite multiples. Factors are finite. Factors are finite. But multiples are infinite. Multiples of a number are infinite. Means common factor of two numbers is a number. Common factor means what? It is a number which is divisible by each of the number. Common factor is a number which is divisible by each of the number. And similarly, we can find a number divisible by each of the number. Like 15 is divisible by 3 and 5 both. Okay. So 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5 both. This 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. 6 is a multiple of 3 and 2 both. 27 is a multiple of 3 and 9. Now we have to study about the common multiple. Suppose here I have written the multiples of 3 and now I am writing the multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. These are nothing but the multiples of 5. And these are the multiples of 3. Now what are the common multiples of 5 and 3? See here, 3 tens are 30. So 15 comes in this table of 3 and 5 both. 30 comes in the table of 3 and 5 both. Then which number? 3 15s are 45 and 5 9s are 45. So see here, if I multiply to 3 with some number or 5 to some number, I am getting the same result 45. So these common numbers that I am getting are the common multiples of 3 and 5. Is it? Do you understand what are the multiples? Multiples means a number or a product obtained by multiplying to the given number by any number. And the common multiples means if you have a multiples of two different number, then the common multiples, the multiple which occur in both, are called as the common multiples of that two numbers. It means number, this 15 is divisible by both 3 and 5. This 15 is divisible by both 3 and 5. This 30 is divisible by both 3 and 5. 45 is divisible by 3 and 5. Means a number, if a number is divisible by two numbers, okay, to say two different numbers, a same number is divisible by two same number, then that number is a multiple of that two. Got it? Okay. So let's solve exercise 5.3 based on this multiple. In exercise 5.3, in question number 1, you have to find 5 multiples of 5 multiples of common multiples of given co-prime number. We know that what are the co-prime numbers? The numbers are said to be co-prime if they have only one common factor. the first pair given to you, it is 2 and 3. We know that 2 and 3 has only 1 as a common factor. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2 and factors of 3 are 1 and 3. 1 is only common factor in these two. So 2 and 3 are co-prime number. Now what are the multiples of 2? 2 ones are 2. 2 multiples of 2. What are they? 2, 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Okay, then 22, 24. Infinite multiples to a number have. Then the multiples of 3. Yes, what are the multiples of 3? Here, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 33, 36, 39, then 42. These are the multiples of 3. Okay, now which are the common multiples here? This 6 is common in this both. 12 is common. Okay, we want the 5 common multiples. 1, 2. Then the third one is 18. Fourth one, which is it? I think 24. Yes, 24. One more we require. 24, then 28 should be here. 30 should be here. So 30 is the fifth common multiple. So 5 common multiples. 5 common multiples of 3, 2 and 3 are 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. If you observe carefully, this is nothing but the table of 6. 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30. Next factor will be 36, obviously. Okay, you can check it. Okay, so the multiples, common multiples are 2 and 3. It means nothing but the product of 2, table of product of 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6 is there, and 6 table of 6 is a are the common multiples of 2 and 3. Got it? Let's solve one more. So let's find the common multiples of 2 and 5 now. Multiples of 2 are, we know that it is nothing but the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Further that 11 twos are 22, 12 twos are 24, 13 twos are 26, 28 and 30. These are the multiples of 2. Now multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay. Now let's check the common multiples. Here 10. Now as 2 and 5, 5 is in the table of 5 there are the numbers ending with 5 and 0 only. Okay. So and in the table of 2, as 2 is even number, so the number ending with 5, that is the number in which unit place is 5, will not come in the table of 2. So what are the what will be the common multiples? They are the multiples of 10, and it is nothing but the 10, 20. So the common multiples of 2 and 5 are 10, 20, 30, 40. That's that. Okay. So if you observe this, then you will see that 2 5s are 10. It's the first multiple of co-prime number 2 and 5. And further multiples are multiples of 10. Let's solve. In this way, multiples of 2 and 5, co-prime number, any co-prime number are the multiplication of that 2. That is the product of that 2 are the multiple of co-prime number. Let's solve one more example. 3 and 4. Okay. So the common multiples of 3 and 4 will be, we know that 3 fours are 12. 3 and 4 are the co-prime number. So common multiples of 3 and 4 will be 3 fours are 12. Okay. 3 fours are 12. 12 ones are 12. Then 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48 and 12 fives are 60. These are the first 5 common multiples of 3 and 4. Let's solve one more example, that is 8 and 9. 8 and 9 are co-prime number. So the common multiples of 8 and 9 will be 8 nines are 72. Okay. The first common multiple of 8 and 9 is 72. And the further 4 multiples will be the multiples of 72. 72 ones are 72. 72 twos are 144. 72 threes are 216. 72 fours are 288. And the fifth factor will be 72 fives are, that is 360. Okay. In this way, you can obtain the multiples of co-prime number just by taking the product of both co-prime number. Let's solve one more example, last one. 8, 9 and 10. What will be the common multiples of 9 and 10? We know that 9 and 10 are co-prime numbers. So they are 9 tens are 90 is the first common multiple of 9 and 10. And the further multiples will be 90, then 180, 270, 360 and 450. Okay. Now let's solve the question number 2. In this question, you have to find the first 10 multiples of given two numbers, and then you have to find the common multiple of that two numbers. So the first number is 3 and 6. Let's write the multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? It is nothing but 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. These are the first 10 multiples of 3. Now, multiples of 3. Now, let's write the multiples of 6. Yes, what are the multiples of 6? They are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Okay, now check whether the which numbers are common here. First one 6 is common multiple. Then the next is 12 is also common. 18 is also common. Then 30 is 24 is common. And then after 30 is a common multiple. Okay, so let's write the common multiples of 3 and 6. 3, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Okay. Now let's find 4 and 5. As 4 and 5 are the common, 4 and 5 are the co-prime number, their multiples will be the product of 4 5s are 20. 4 and 5, that is 20. See here, multiples of 4 are 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Okay, these are the 10 multiples. Now write the multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. These are the first 10 multiples of 4 and 5. Now, check whether which are the common multiples. See here, 20. I have told you 4 and 5 are the co-prime number. So, the first multiple will be 4 into 5, that is 20. Now, the next multiple is 40. 22s are 40 is the next multiple. So the common multiples of 4 and 5 are 20, comma 40. Now let's solve one more example. Example number 5. Here you have to find the common multiples of 5 and 6. 5 and 6 are again co-prime number. What are the multiples of 5? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Okay. Then multiples of 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Okay.
Now, as 5 and 6 are common multiple co-prime numbers, so their first multiple will be 5 6 are 30. 30 is the first common multiple of 5 and 6. Further multiples you can obtain if you extend the table of 5, 55, 60, then 60 will be a first common multiple. But you have asked to write the first 10 multiples only. So we will write the common multiple of 5 and 6 is 30 only. Okay, according to the given question. In the same way, we have to find the lowest common multiple, that is LCM of a given number. What is mean by lowest common multiple? Okay, it is lowest common multiple, that is LCM. Common multiple, C means common, M means multiple. Just we have to find the common multiples of a given number, and then we have to pick the lowest of that common multiples. So if you observe carefully in 3 and 6, 6, 12, 18 are the multiples of common multiples of 3 and 6. But which one of it is lowest? 6 is the lowest. So 6 is LCM of 3 and 6. If you observe in 4 and 5, then the 20, 40 are the common multiples of 4 and 5. But which is the smallest number? 20 is the smallest multiple. So 20 is LCM of 4 and 5. In 5 and 6 similarly, 30 is the LCM of 5 and 6. In this way, we can find the lowest common multiple of the number. Hope you understand LCM of a number. In next lecture, we will see the methods of finding the LCM of the numbers. Okay, thank you.